to Jurassic World Toy Hunt here. We're at Target here. We got a couple new items here. We have the new Primal hatch here. Primal hatch is a hybrid hatcher here at Target, and it's $14.99. Let's look inside, see what they got here. It will look like on the side view. It's a Primal hatch here and here. All that you can collect them all here. There's 3 different color T-Rexes, which is shark tooth kind of type here. Shark tooth, the 3 different color. 3 different Tigerosaur here. And there's a Spinodile here. So they got crocodile. So these are like hybrids, crocodile and Spinosaurus, a hybrid tiger, and probably like an Allosaurus and shark tooth, a shark and a T-Rex. Here's Shredder Rex here. And the last one is Slash Wings, similar to the Pyroraptor here. They're only $14.99. Look at that. Here's one of the tiger soar here. See it? This look like so like a tiger and a T-Rex here. So the hybrid hatcher here. Like I said, it comes with the needle. You push it to hatch the egg, and your hybrid will come out. It's $14.99. Don't forget they kind of similar to what they got for the Jurassic World T-Rex here. $64.99 Primal hatch too. Here, that's $64.99. Similar to it is the bigger egg. And it will come with a T-Rex, of course. It will hatch. It will feed. And you can train. They got a remote control and it will attack. So it'll come with a remote control to click to command here. That's why they're so expensive. And you cut the box out here from the back. It's what it'll look like, assumably. And $64.99 green hatching dino Primal hatch here. They also got a new Jurassic World Hammond collection here. We have MUSSAURUS here. MUSSAURUS, sorry, maybe it's pronounced MUSSAURUS. Hammond collection. MUSSAURUS here. Look like on the side, the MUSSAURUS has increased possibility, multiple points of articulation, and dynamic accessories for impact scene creation here. So MUSSAURUS here. It look like on the back. It's kind of like a mini Brontosaurus here, or Brachiosaurus kind of type, and a Velociraptor. So look at that. This first time I see a MUSSAURUS. See, there it goes, MUSSAURUS. There's the other 2, one more, the Triceratopus. It didn't come out yet. There's a Ornitholestes here and the MUSSAURUS here. So the Ornitholestes is still here. There's one left of that. And this is $14.99. I'm sorry, it's $14.99 for the MUSSAURUS action figure. This is $14.99. The MUSSAURUS here is $14.99 here. MUSSAURUS again is $14.99, and also the Ornitholestes is also $14.99. This is similar to the Velociraptor here, and this was a couple weeks ago. I was on this one for this one here, beginning of the year. So this is also $14.99. So this is only at Target here. So the Ornitholestes here, $14.99, and MUSSAURUS is also $14.99. Only at Target here. So these $14.99, and this Primal hatch, new Primal hatch, hybrid hatcher is also $14.99. Don't forget This is also new for this month in January. Jurassic World Survival Charge and Chomp Carnotaurus here. The devil of our dinosaurs. $34.99 here. And it's so far I didn't see this at Walmart. So far it's only at Target. I haven't seen this at Walmart yet. This one is a button here. And it will travel. See how fast it goes? The legs move, head move, good sound effect, and it's a reasonable price, $34.99. My other favorite here to get, if you can find any, are these Jurassic World Survival Wild World set, the Afro Venator. They're $15.49 here at Target, the Afro Venator. They're $15.49 here. And of course, there's 3 more to collect. There's Ceratosaurus here. There's the Pterodon. And of course, the Brachiosaurus here. The MUSSAURUS type dinosaur like in here. And these are, like I said, it's only $15.49. The reason I like these because they have the roaring sound and the LED lights on here. So play these at night and they will glow. The LED light will shine. So these are one of my favorite, like I said, and it's a reasonable price, only $15.49 here. It's cheaper than Walmart. I believe Walmart is $17. And don't forget there's 3 more Ceratosaurus here, Pterodon, and Brachiosaurus here. Genius. Sorry for the pronunciation. These are hard to say. They still got the Bite and Blast MUSSAURUS here. It's $43.99, of course. And the Spinosaurus Danger Pack, $37.99. The electronic reel feel is $53.99. The Super Colossal MUSSAURUS is $74.99. These plushie is $19.99. You got a T-Rex here, and the larger one are $19.99 too. T-Rex here. I'm sorry, this is Spinosaurus. This might be a Spinosaurus. Maybe a bigger plushie here. And don't forget the Tail Thrasher Spinosaurus. It's also $41.99 here at Target. And don't forget the gigantic Thrasher Stegosaurus here. And they have the GORGOSAURUS here. It's $24.99 here at Target. See the GORGOSAURUS with a spin in here. And don't forget they also do the this one also open the mouth on the button here. So these are $24.99. Don't forget the Frenzy Pack here. The Vesperus is $8.99 here. It's one of my favorite here for the Frenzy Pack Survival World. And the Strike Attack Monophosaurus is $12.99 here. And these Stegosaurus Gigantic is $24.99 too. They also have the Jurassic World Legacy collection here. We got the Reimagine here. We got the Real Feel VELOCIRAPTOR, of course. It's $37.99. We got Bite Sea Steel, $36.99. And we have the Dino Reveals, $14.99 here. And last but not least, we got Power Devour here, $53.99. T-Rex. You can buy this at Ross for $40 now. Here's one of the Wild World set. The MUSSAURUS is for $15.49 here. So these are, there's no LED light. These are last year's 2025 ones, but they're still pretty good. So there's the other three. You can find it: Archosaurus, Ankylosaurus, and Spisopeus here. So they also got the new Titan spear here from Godzilla. They're $5.49. We got a Titan containment spears too, and it's also $5.49 here. Come with Kong, Godzilla, Godzilla Evolved, Mothra, King Ghidorah, and Mega Godzilla. And this one is the old Godzilla here on here. So you got Bio, you got Little Godzilla, Space Godzilla, and Godzilla 1994. They're $5.49. And don't forget the Godzilla New Empire Heat Ray Breath. One of my favorite is $39.99 still here. Oh, there's one more. I'm sorry. It's a TRICERATOPS, $24.99. The Hammond collection here, $24.99. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.